Hey guys, so today we would, I would love to discuss importance of your speaking ability and listening skills, which are obviously a part of your language skills. For any language, so to proclaim that you're really good at this language, we have understood that you have to be really proficient with your listening, speaking, reading, and writing, right? That is when you proclaim that you're really good with that particular language. So I would love to discuss something related to that. We'll pick up speaking ability and your listening skills. Fellows, I would love to ask you a question. How many of you writing the exams these days, even today? For example, it's been last month or now you're regularly writing the exams. How many of you? I mean, having an internal exam or external exams, which we used to, write in our college life, having half-yearly exams or annual exams, which we used to write in our schooling, in our 11th and 12th classes. Lots of exams we used to write, right? And the importance of exams exactly, the assessments, what we used to witness in our schools and college lives. So exams are one which decides your potential, right? And how good you are with your, that subject competency, how sound you are in that particular concept, be it a social or a science or a mathematics or whatever it is, the language. Assessments would obviously come to a point how good you are in that particular subject, right? It would measure your potential, your knowledge on that particular aspect, right? Exams used to give ranking percentages were declared, whether you're a pass or a fail was declared. So many things were there, that is how we were measured in our childhood. Things have changed, right? Now we have grown, so now we have become more professionals, and now we are being part of the corporate world. And there are some section of people, who are still striving, attending the interviews, giving it a shot with the companies and striving to get into the corporate world. We have two sections here, where few people are already part of the corporate world and they're prevailing better. And there is another section of the world, who are striving to be part of the corporate world. Now, that's the question exactly I was asking you people. Are you guys both the sections, are you guys writing exams or assessments these days? Time in, day in, day out, time and again? Now, what is the measurement you are, living in right now? Now, how do you check your potential, your own potential? Or how do you generally check the potential of the candidate? There used to be exams earlier, the assessments earlier. Now, how should we measure our potential then? Now you have an opportunity to listen, understand, and speak. That is where the skill of listening and speaking comes into picture, guys. It's more to deal with your listening and understanding, and then speak about your actions, plans, intentions, thoughts, everything. It used to be about reading and writing earlier, but now it's time for listening and speaking, guys. How dedicated you were with respect to your exams, and how sincere majority of you people, including me, how sincere you guys used to prepare for exams. And then same sincerity and respect and dedication need to be shown towards your speaking ability as well, and improving your listening skills as well, guys. That's one thing you need to understand. The role of speaking ability is much more wider for these two sections. Especially someone who are already part of corporate world. How do I measure your potential? By listening to your speaking ability, and when I speak, how good you are as a listener. And that is how I would measure your potential. Obviously, whatever the thoughts, intentions you have and your actions you have, I would love to listen. And speaking ability as well, because that has become an important parameter to judge your potential and skill. Listening skills also something very, very important, folks. Right now at this point of time, for these two sections, especially someone very striving to be part of the corporate world, and someone who are already a part of the corporate world and surviving, and sustaining, it's all these two abilities are very, very important. So to all my friends out there, keep working on your listening skills and speaking ability, guys. So reading and writing is done now. Now you are measured by these two parameters. So that's all from my end. From this particular podcast, signing off, Rakesh Kumar from Start at Zero.